Hi, I'm Harsh from Sagar Institute of Technology and Management. I am pursuing engineering in computer science and engineering. I have done a summer training of 2 months in Techpile Technology Private Limited, Lucknow, where I have worked on many languages which are HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript. These were the foundation courses, and after that, I have chosen Python with Django Framework. By using Python with Django, I have developed a website and which look like this. So this is the header strip of our website where you can look at our mail of, and I have also added social media buttons of Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. So, like if you click on this, you will be redirected to our Facebook page. Here it is, respectively the Twitter and Instagram also. And it is the menu of our website, which includes some menu buttons as well as logo. Below that there's a slider, and after that these are the latest blogs or website, and after that these are the events of our website. Like if you go on this, it will be just display like food distribution on weekends. The second event says book and stationery distribution to poor students and sanitary distributions to girls. And the next section is our volunteer section. These are the volunteers which always work with us, Archana, Shekhar and Harshit, which has also helped me a lot. And after that, this is the footer section of our website, which includes three divisions. First one is contact us, second one is about us, and the third one is donate. For contacting us, you can just, this is the address of us, and if you want to reach us out, you can mail on this email address. Also, you can call us on this number, and if you want to leave us a message, you simply just click on this button. You will be directed to our contact us page. The next one is about us. So this is the glance of our website, or what is the motto behind this NGO. If you click on this no more, just you will be redirected to our about us page. The next one is donation section. This is just the QR code. If you want to donate us, you can simply donate us this QR or just this UPI handle. And this is the lower footer of our website, which includes the name and copyright and reservations of our NGO. And here it is designed by harshkash2000@gmail.com, which is my email address. And here also I have added my social media buttons, like respectively you can go on Facebook, Twitter as well as Instagram. Now moving on to our menu section. So this is the logo. If you click on this, you will be directed to our homepage. Now this is the homepage. Again, you can reach here, and our next menu is about us. On clicking on about us, you will be redirected to this page, which will give you a glance, like you will know the exact motto of our NGO or website. Like we are team which want to do our contribution so that we can help the environment as well as needies. And if you want to contact us, like if you want to reach us out, so you just simply have to fill this form, your name, your email, your contact number, your message, and just click on save. We will contact you in short time. And after that, moving on to our next section, which is gallery. In gallery, we have just simply uploaded some images of our basic things, like what are the programs. These are the images, basic images, nothing special. Now moving on to our next menu, which is video section. So here you can view any video. I have uploaded 3 videos only, so here you can play it, like it plays like this. And if you want a description to this video, just go on this. This is the description of this video. Now here you can also view it. Stop it. And now this is the blog section of the website. I have written 4 blogs. If you want to search any blog, then you just simply click on that search bar and just enter whatever you want to enter. And after that, you will be redirected to the blog, and you can read it out here, like plastic wastage, blood donation, water crisis, and food waste. So if you see, the latest blogs are plastic wastage, blood donation, water crisis. on home page I have added 3 blocks only. These are the latest ones which are uploaded on the blog section of our website, so you can see this here. Only latest one will be seen here. Now moving on to our next menu, which is membership. If you want to take a membership in our NGO, it is free of cost, of course. You just have to enter this fill this form, enter your city, your email address, your account number, your address, your company's address, and just click on submit. We will give you a membership and we will reach you whenever we will arrange anything in your area or in your nearby area. The final menu of our website is donate now. Here you can donate us through this QR code. Also you can donate us through this UPI handle. After that payment, you just have to enter your amount which you have donated and your name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, your country, your address, your state, your pin code, your occupation, and just click on submit. After verifying your payment, we will just send a receipt to you on your email address. Yeah, right. So this was the brief overview of our website. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much. Thank you.